Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix create sticker option not showing on Instagram. So if you want to create a cutout stickers or use some new feature on Instagram, make sure you update the apps. For example, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and make sure you update it. As you can see, I already update the apps, so there is no update button anymore. Just open and uninstall. So the last version of Instagram you can see on about this app. So here the latest version is 359.0.0.59.89, updated on November 25, 2024. After the update, now you can open your Instagram and see if there is a create sticker option. For example, you can create a sticker from someone post. You can tap three dot beside or on the top his post. See if there is not, it means you cannot create a sticker from his post. Another one, let's try this. You can tap three dot and here we go, there is a create cutout sticker. So you can try to tap it and creating the stickers automatically. If you do not satisfy with this, you can select manually. For example, this a trophy at the top. As you can see, now I can create a cutout stickers. And also you can access a create cutout sticker from your directory. You can tap plus button and tap the story in order to create story. So let's create it first. This is the video, sorry. So now you can tap stickers option at the top of your screen and tap on cutouts filter. This one, tap and select the image that you want to create the stickers. Wait the process and here we go, you can use this sticker. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.